go over some trading reviews of our last 2 trading weeks. All right, and so we had some phenomenal entries, we had some phenomenal trades, and we want to share them with you as a result of our entries and our trading strategy using Wyckoff plus smart money. Now, we use smart money a whole lot as our foundational trading style, but we've added Wyckoff that gave us that sauce. All right, and so we want to show you guys exactly how our trading week went and what we were looking for as we decided to go and enter a lot of these trades. Okay, so let's start from the second, and of course we saw that AUD/USD was in what we call a distribution schematic. All right, and so we wondered and we saw that once the UTAD and this test had taken place, we said that once we had a pullback we would have entered, and we had set our pullback, we had set our entry in a beautiful place. We risked 3.6 pips and we were able to gain 94 pips and more, all right, according to this. And so we held our entry, and let's see what happens. The market continues to tank. All right, and so we know that there are some fair value gaps left. We understand that there is a lot of liquidity sitting above, and so we're watching to see what this pair will do this coming trading session. All right, and then of course here is Euro/USD. This pair has been good for us in the last few weeks, guys, and we have been absolutely crushing and milking this pair. All right, and so you can see here that from this 4-hour time frame, Euro/USD during this time frame had just been phenomenal for us. All right, we risked here 8.6 pips. We were able to gain 304. All right, now let's look at USD. NZD/USD. Let's look at NZD/USD. All right, we came in from here, we entered here. Literally, let me show you what happened. Really, we thought that this was the UTAD, honestly, and we were, kind of hoping that the market would have dropped from here. But once I saw this broken move up, I realized that, the market isn't finished with the up thrust as yet. And so we decided to go ahead, after we saw this exhaustion on the candle here, to go ahead and put in an entry, and market executed this well, and we were able to risk 3.9 pips, and we were able to gain 81 pips on NZD/USD at the time. All right, and then of course we had some swing trade ideas. GBP CAD did well. GBP USD, let's look at this. All right, now we were expecting GBP USD to head up from the equilibrium, but obviously this actually decided to head down. But we will show you how we absolutely was able to crush GBP USD once we saw that it closed underneath the equilibrium on the weekly time frame. All right, we'll show you how we crushed that. So let's go ahead and look at this current last week's trades. All right, let's look at this current last week's trades. Man, we just killed the GBP pairs. I'm telling you guys, it was just absolutely phenomenal. All right, so here was our trade for the 7th on NZD/USD. All right, we had maximized this area, and now here we are maximizing this area, and boom, we absolutely crushed it. We risked 8 pips, and we were able to gain 98 pips on NZD/USD. Here is GBP/GU. Remember, I told y'all we crushed it. Initially, we was expecting this pair to go up, but then we realized once it closed under the equilibrium on the weekly that it was, destined to go down. And so we took advantage of that. We saw that this pair was in a distribution schematic. We understood that, there was some liquidity sitting below on the higher time frame that the market makers, the composite operators, wanted to get. And so we kind of jumped in on this, and boom, we literally crushed this market. We risked 9.7 pips, and we were able to gain 412 pips on GU. Now we are expecting some retracement on this pair before any further discounted moves. All right, then we've got NZD USD. We spoke about that. Euro Chef, another beautiful trade. We expected this pair to distribute at this point. We looked to our left and we saw that these equal lows were here, and we expected the pair to really take these equal lows. So what we had to do once it hit discounted areas, we saw that there was exhaustion and that the pair was ready to go down, and so we market executed this pair, and so we literally had no drawdown with this pair on our market execution, and there we go. That exhaustion on that last up candle, and then all of a sudden we saw the spread on the following candle, and boom, we were able to execute this well, no drawdown, and we were able to gain about 71 pips on that trade. Here's GBP JPY, and guys, I want y'all to see the incredible win rate we do have. All right, the incredible win rate we do have. We do lose some trades. However, we have an incredible win rate that causes our risk to reward ratio to be absolutely profitable, and we're crushing these markets. All right, and so every trade, and these are verified trades. Anyone can show you guys before and afters on Photoshop or on a photo, but I'm showing you guys verified trades on GBP, JPY, and all of the others through TradingView. I cannot manipulate this. I cannot manipulate this. So for all of the trolls, all right, go on another video, because what we're doing is we're really showing you how we have maximized these trades using Wyckoff plus smart money strategies. All right, so we knew that the UTAD and the test had gone. We had missed it, and so we looked to go in on the next pullback, which was the LPSY, the last point of supply. And here's what happened: we killed GBP JPY, and I mean, we maximized this. So we had more than 130 pips gain on this, but initially we only risked, all right, 9.6 pips. We had way more than 130 0.6 gain. We were able to catch this entire leg, and we added a second position on this pullback right here. All right, guys, let's see. And I think GBP NZD, beautiful trade. GBP NZD, beautiful trade. We literally crushed this market. Okay, guys, we took it down and up and down again, by the way. All right, down, up, and I want y'all to see the incredible accuracy. Down, up, down, up, and down again. All right, down, up, and down again. This was a beautiful trade. Our risk was 12 pips, a little bit wider than usual because of the movement, the volatility usually on these pairs. Our risk was a little bit wider, 12 pips. We gained 113 on the move down. We risked 9.6 pips on the move up, and we were only able to gain half of this percentage, and so it was a great trade on GBP NZD as well. Euro USD, everybody's favorite pairs. We get ready to wrap it up, guys. I just want to show you guys how powerful the strategies are that we've implemented, how accurate it has made us, the sauce that Wyckoff plus smart money has added to our trading style, and it has cost us to truly crush these markets. All right, and so we are on a daily time frame, and so I wanted to kind of see what the overall view of this pair was. I wanted to see what the market was really truly doing with Euro USD. A lot of people trade this pair. This is one of the major pairs. A lot of people are on this pair, so the movements are pretty smooth and good, and this really does respect a lot of structure. And so what I wanted to do was see what the daily was saying, and I was going to trade on a lower time frame but using a daily perspective. And so we were able to literally milk Euro USD up and down. Okay, and you guys gonna see some before and after shots at the end of this review, so stay tuned for all of the before and after shots. And of course we gotta end it with showing you all the pip counts and all of that stuff, so just stay tuned, guys. But look at that, to the pip. Who does that? We already had that marked out. Let me replay that again, because I think you missed that one. All right, let's look at what happened here. We determined that this was a key area to watch. This is a key area for us to continue to watch even in this upcoming week. And here was, boom, there we go. We were able to catch the move up, the move down. We were able to maximize this daily candle, this daily candle, this daily candle, and of course we didn't trade on Friday. All right, so it was just a beautiful trade, a beautiful, beautiful trade. All right, and let's see here. So we got GBP, JPY. This was at the top. This was at the very top of that range there that we showed you earlier. So you can see that we have been killing it again. I mean, and you know, it is just phenomenal to see how Wyckoff has played such an instrumental part in taking our trades to a next level. And a lot of people don't teach Wyckoff well. All right, so here's Euro USD. We could play these for days, and y'all could see, okay, this is one leg going up. We maximize a short trade coming down. We maximize this trade coming up, and here we are, because we knew this was that area for us to watch. Boom. You know, it's just remarkable to see, you know, how these trades have been playing out. All right, and so yes, guys, we are looking to really continue to take our trading strategy to the next level. You know, we don't claim to be the best in the world, but we do believe that we employ one of the best strategies in the world. Check us out, prophetictips.com. Follow us on TradingView. The links are in the description, and we look forward to connecting with you. Also, hit up our public Telegram chat, where we'll share some of our trades, some of our ideas, and what it is we're seeing in the markets. Bless you guys, and we'll see you, and we pray profitable trading for you in the upcoming trading.
Forex money for me thoughts. Close them clean and a cough. I the pips me I calculate, no hesitate. Me watch the rate, me nah debate. If you have money on the aisle, dog, that means that the coal go start deflate. You half a wait. Money serious, Forex don't funny. Me a trade all when it rain or sunny. Scared money never go make no money. Me say scared money never go make no money. Me no watch people, me watch the charts. 100 million at the pot. Forex money for me thoughts. Forex money for me thoughts. Make me first million walk off for the job.